In this class, we shall be looking at changing fractions and decimals to percentages. And just like I said, in order for us to change fractions to percentages, we are to express it as equivalent fractions with denominator of 100. For example, we are asked to change 12 divided by 25 to percentage. And what we will do in this example is to look for a number that when you multiply it by 25, it gives you 100 as the denominator. So that factor, you equally use that factor to multiply the numerator. For example, this, if I should divide 100 by 25, it gives me 4. That is to say that 25 times 4 is what will give me 100. I'll also multiply the numerator by 4. So this is said to be equal to 48 over 100. And since it is 48 over 100, it means it is 48 parts out of 100, of which we said percentage means out of 100. So this is equivalent to 48%. But also, in another way, if this seems to be too difficult for you to express 12 over 25 as a percentage, you are to multiply that fraction by 100. It gives you the percentage of that fraction. So if you do that, 25 into itself is 1, 25 into 100 is 4, which gives you the factor that was used to multiply 25 to get 100, which is 4. So you then multiply it by 12, which gives you 48. So whichever method you use, you will still arrive at the same answer. B, we are asked to change 1 over 8 to percentage. So I'm going to be using method 2 to do that. Converting 1 over 8 as expressing it as a percentage, this becomes 1 over 8 divided by 1 over 8 times 100. What can go? 2 into itself. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 100 is 50. 2 can still go. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into 50 is 25. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 25. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 5 is 2. Remainder 1. Add 0 to it and divide by 2, it gives you 5. So this is said to be equal to 12.5% when you express or when you change 1 over 8. Now, what about decimals?